All right, we're here again, doing a one-night hammock camp out. Doing something a little bit different this time. We're actually staying on my property. We're hiking out to the far north end. We actually hiked out a couple weekends ago and found us a good spot we felt like we wanted to camp at. We just got started hiking out there. We'll get there and set up some camp and see how the day goes.
Is it really? Holy cow.
Alright, so we got our campground all cleaned out. Just getting ready to hang our hammocks. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mash this up. Alright, so we got done putting our hammocks up. It's about noon. I think we'll probably head out here in a little bit, maybe go head down to the bottom of the ravine down there, get some water for filtering, and think about making some lunch. Alright, we got enough water filtered for lunch, so I figure we'll get that started. Let the rest of the water filter. Got some freeze-dried lasagna with meat sauce that I tried today. Already got a good pile here. Just getting ready to baton sign them up. Alright, it's starting to get dark out. I think the thermometer says 29 degrees. It's only about 5:15. Got all camp set up. Fire going. All the firewood. Probably another hour or so and we'll cook up some supper. I think bannock and some ramen. We'll see how much light's left. I don't know if we'll get any more videos after this. Good morning. Just woke up to some deer running around through the trees. I'll get up here in a few minutes and make some coffee and cook some bannock up for breakfast. Alright, once again for this morning, got some bannock mixed with some oatmeal. Alright, just got the bannock and coffee all done. It's a little view of what I get to see this morning from the hammock. Nice sunrise view. It's a clear day. I'm going to pack up here in about 20 minutes or so and hike back out of here. All right, so we just got done packing up camp. Heading back out. Just under a third of a mile. We back at home. We'll call this weekend done.